Scientists found something impossible. It shouldn't exist, but it does, and no one can explain it. Today, we're diving into discoveries that break the rules, things that make experts scratch their heads. Ready? Let's explore the unexplained. August 15th, 1977. A radio telescope picks up something weird, a signal from deep space. So strong, so clear, the scientist writes, "Wow," on the printout. The signal lasted 72 seconds, then vanished. Here's the strange part. It came from the direction of Sagittarius. No stars there. No planets. Nothing. Scientists tried to find it again. They pointed every telescope they had at that spot. Silence. Complete silence. The signal never returned. Was it aliens? A natural phenomenon we don't understand? 46 years later, we still don't know. The WOW signal remains one of the greatest mysteries in astronomy. Imagine metal floating in midair, solid objects becoming jelly-like. This is the Hutchison Effect, named after John Hutchison, who discovered it in 1979. He was experimenting with electromagnetic fields. Suddenly, objects started doing impossible things. Heavy metal bars levitated, steel became soft like putty, objects would suddenly combust or merge with other materials. Scientists tried to replicate it. Some claimed success, others said it was fake. But here's the problem. Even Hutchison can't consistently reproduce his own results. The effect appears randomly, unpredictably. Is it real physics we don't understand, or elaborate trickery? The debate continues. In 2007, astronomers found something new: fast radio bursts. Imagine a flash of radio waves, brighter than 1 billion suns, lasting just milliseconds. They come from billions of light years away. The energy released in those milliseconds? More than our sun produces in 80 years. Think about that. Milliseconds. 80 years worth of energy. Scientists have detected hundreds of these bursts. Most happen once and never repeat. But some do repeat. In patterns. One repeats every 16 days, like clockwork. What could produce such power? Colliding neutron stars? Magnetars? Some unknown cosmic event? We're not sure. Each new discovery raises more questions. Divers found a shipwreck off Greece in 1901. Inside, they discovered bronze gears, corroded beyond recognition. Scientists cleaned it, X-rayed it. What they found was impossible. An ancient computer from 100 BC. It predicted eclipses, tracked planetary movements, calculated Olympic Games dates. The technology was stunning. Nothing this complex appears again for 1,000 years. It had 30 bronze gears, precisely cut, perfectly meshed. Who built it? How did they have this knowledge, this technology? The ancient Greeks weren't supposed to be this advanced, not in mechanics, not in astronomy. We still don't fully understand how it worked, or who designed it. A genius ahead of their time? Lost knowledge from an earlier civilization? The Antikythera Mechanism challenges everything we thought we knew about ancient technology. KIC 8462852. Scientists call it Tabby's star. In 2015, it started acting weird. Stars don't normally flicker like this. They're consistent, predictable. But Tabby's star dimmed by 22%. That's massive. Planets passing in front of stars? They block less than 1% of light. This was 22 times that. What could block that much light? Scientists proposed ideas, maybe a swarm of comets, or a shattered planet. Some even suggested alien megastructures. They called them Dyson spheres, hypothetical structures that harvest star energy, built by advanced civilizations. More observations came in. The dimming wasn't regular. It was chaotic, random. In 2017, it dimmed again, by 3%. Scientists studied the light spectrum. It looked natural, not artificial. But what natural process could do this? We still don't have a complete explanation. Tabby's star keeps us guessing. 2011. Treasure hunters scan the Baltic Sea floor. Their sonar picks up something, a circular object, 60 meters across, sitting 85 meters below the surface. The shape was too perfect, too geometric. They sent down divers. They found a disc-shaped object, made of stone, but the stone looked melted, smoothed, like nothing natural. Geological samples were strange. The rock contained metals that shouldn't be there, limonite and goethite, in unusual concentrations. Electronic equipment malfunctioned near it. Satellite phones stopped working. Cameras glitched. Scientists offered explanations. Maybe glacial deposit, or volcanic formation, but those didn't quite fit. The shape was too regular, the surface too smooth. Some claimed it was a Nazi anti-submarine device. Others said ancient ruins. A few even suggested it was a crashed UFO. Expeditions have been limited. The Baltic Sea is cold, dark, dangerous. We need more investigation. Better technology. Until then, the Baltic Sea Anomaly remains unexplained. October 2017. Astronomers spot something entering our solar system. Not from here, from interstellar space. The first interstellar visitor we ever detected. They named it Oumuamua, Hawaiian for scout or messenger. Its shape was bizarre, long and thin, like a cigar, 10 times longer than it was wide. No comet or asteroid looks like that. Then it did something weird. It accelerated. As it left the solar system, it sped up. Objects don't do that naturally, unless they're comets. Releasing gas, creating thrust. But Oumuamua showed no gas, no tail, no comet activity. Scientists were confused. What could push it? Solar radiation? Maybe. But calculations didn't match. Some scientists suggested something wild. What if it was artificial? A light sail, pushed by starlight, built by aliens. Most scientists dismiss this. They prefer natural explanations. Maybe it's ice that doesn't create visible gas, or maybe it's made of hydrogen, solid hydrogen, but we'll never know for sure. Oumuamua is gone, racing back into interstellar space. We couldn't catch it, couldn't study it up close. Another mystery, slipping through our fingers. These mysteries share something. They challenge what we know. They push us to think bigger, question more. Science isn't about having all the answers. It's about asking better questions. Sometimes the universe throws us curveballs, things that don't fit our models, our theories, and that's exciting. Every unexplained discovery is an invitation to learn more, to dig deeper, to expand our understanding. Maybe one day we'll solve these mysteries, understand these phenomena, or maybe we'll discover they're just the beginning. The universe is vast, ancient, strange, and we've barely scratched the surface. What other mysteries are waiting out there? What else can't we explain? If this made you curious, you know what to do. Keep exploring. Keep questioning. The universe loves to surprise us.